Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Indonesian cuisine to uncover some fascinating unknown facts about one of its most beloved dishes, nasi goreng. If you're a food enthusiast or just curious about international flavors, you're in for a treat. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting food explorations. Let's get started. The origins. While we've already mentioned its Chinese roots, did you know that nasi goreng has evolved uniquely in Indonesia? It has absorbed local ingredients and cooking techniques, making it a true representation of the diverse Indonesian culinary landscape. The art of presentation. Now, let's talk presentation. Nasi goreng isn't just about taste, it's also about visual appeal. Skilled chefs often garnish their plates with colorful elements like cucumber slices, fried shallots, and a perfectly fried egg on top, turning it into a work of art. A sizzling pan. Nasi goreng translates to fried rice in Indonesian, and it's exactly what it sounds like. This iconic dish is made by stir-frying pre-cooked rice with a combination of ingredients, giving it a delicious blend of flavors and textures. A brief history. Nasi goreng might be a staple in Indonesia, but did you know it has its roots in Chinese cuisine? It's believed to have been introduced to Indonesia by Chinese immigrants, making it a fantastic example of culinary fusion. Versatility. What makes nasi goreng truly unique is its incredible versatility. While the basic recipe includes rice, sweet soy sauce, shallots, garlic, tamarind, and chili, it's open to interpretation. You can add anything from chicken and prawns to vegetables and even leftovers from the previous night's dinner. The possibilities are endless. National dish status. Nasi goreng isn't just any dish. It holds a special place in Indonesian culture. In fact, it's often considered Indonesia's national dish, and you'll find it on the menu everywhere from street food stalls to high-end restaurants. Breakfast of champions. Here's a fun twist: nasi goreng isn't just a lunch or dinner option. It's a popular breakfast choice in Indonesia. The idea of having fried rice for breakfast might be unusual to some, but trust me, it's a delicious way to start your day. Beloved by celebrities. Nasi goreng has even caught the attention of international celebrities. Renowned chef and television personality Anthony Bourdain once declared it as one of his favorite dishes. If it's good enough for Anthony Bourdain, it's good enough for us, right? Cultural significance. In addition to its culinary appeal, nasi goreng also has cultural significance. It's often served during special occasions and celebrations, making it a symbol of togetherness and festivity. Regional variations. Now, here's the real surprise: nasi goreng isn't the same everywhere in Indonesia. Different regions put their own unique spin on the dish, using distinct ingredients and flavors. So, if you travel across Indonesia, you'll get to taste a wide range of nasi goreng styles. Ingredient variations. Now, let's talk about the wide array of ingredients used in nasi goreng. From aromatic lemongrass to pungent shrimp paste, this dish showcases a fascinating array of flavors that come together harmoniously. It's like a symphony for your taste buds. The secret ingredient. Finally, one of the secret ingredients that elevate nasi goreng is kecap manis, a sweet soy sauce that gives the dish its signature sweet and savory flavor. It's the key to making an authentic and delicious nasi goreng. And there you have it, some fascinating unknown facts about Indonesian nasi goreng. This dish is not just a delicious meal, it's a blend of history, culture, and flavor that you need to experience for yourself. So, the next time you're in Indonesia or at a local Indonesian restaurant, make sure to order nasi goreng and savor its unique taste. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your food-loving friends. And, of course, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting food adventures from around the world. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.